Oh, well, it goes back in. Yeah, I'm gonna have to replace that too. Damn! What's up, you guys? I'm the daddy with the caddy, and welcome to my channel. So today we're finna be replacing the CV axles on the Cadillac. While I was replacing the front struts, I noticed that the CV axle on the passenger side had a lot of play, and also the inner joint was separate. So I'm assuming that faulty axle is the reason why the Cadillac makes a loud clunk noise while it's slowing down and coming to a stop. It's either that or the engine mounts, but we're gonna go ahead and replace the axles first. And we're gonna do the driver's side as well. I mean, we might as well. So let's get to it. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the center wheel covers. Spray penetration on the axle nut. Use a 35mm socket and a breaker bar to break loose the axle nut and loosen the 19mm wheel lug nuts while the vehicle is on the ground. Raise the vehicle up with a floor jack and support it on jack stands. With the wheel off, remove the 10mm bracket bolts that hold the ABS and brake line from the strut. Remove the two 24mm lower strut bolts. Remove the axle nut. Use a hammer to tap the CV axle out. Use a pry bar and a hammer to remove the inner axle joint.
Fuck out of there. Look at this shit.
I was having a hard time lining up the new axle with the transmission because the strut was in the way, so I ended up removing it, loosening the top three 13mm nuts. The struts are hella heavy, or I just need to hit the gym. Tap the axle with a hammer to insert the inner joint. Put everything back in the order you removed it.
This. Yeah, make sure to hit the fender. If you're not hitting the fender, you're not doing it right.
Install the top strut nuts. Use a big flathead screwdriver to align the lower struts with the knuckle holes and insert the bolts. Do some extra tapping on the axle nut to make sure that it goes inside the transmission. With the wheel on the floor on the opposite side, torque the axle nut at 118 foot-pounds. And we're done. Alright, if y'all found this video helpful, hit that like button for me. Can you do something for me? Hit that like button for me. By the way, you guys, I ended up only paying for the driver's side CV axle since the passenger side was already previous replaced and was under warranty. So I saved a few dollars there. That's cool. I wasn't able to go on a test drive today since I'm doing other things on the engine, on the engine. Yeah.